In today's video, we are going to compare two AI models for generating images with each other and see how each of them will react in different cases for business. We are going to compare MAI Image 1 from Microsoft with Hunyuan Image 3. So if you're ready, let's begin. So both of these models are really good, but especially when we want to use these AI models in business, it's better to know the strengths and weaknesses of each of these AI models. So we know, for example, for this task, it's better to use this model. For another task, it's better to use another model, right? It will make our work much easier if we know where we should use which AI model. So here I have prepared almost 10 prompts for business, and we're going to see the result. So here we have a professional product photography of a minimalistic bamboo wireless phone charger on a clean white surface with soft shadows and so on, with, for example, shot from 45-degree angle. And here is the result that we have. On the left side, we have MAI Image 1, which is good. And on the right side, we have Hunyuan Image 3. Now, both of them are really good, right? Here it has something that I don't understand, but more or less it's fine. On the version for Hunyuan Image 3, the design is different, but what we asked for, we received it, right? The material is clear, it's the angle of the camera, it's perfect, right? So I think both of them were successful at this task. And on the next one, we have full body character design of a friendly female forest guardian for a mobile RPG game, age 25, wearing moss and leaf armor with glowing nature magic elements, right? Multiple angles view like front, side, back, and anime-inspired style, vibrant colors with white background with character turnaround. So again, on the left side, we have MAI Image 1, which it provided what we asked for. Especially, I liked that it listened carefully to this part because most AI models don't follow this. Here we mentioned front, side, and back. And here we have front, side, and back. The only problem is that here it generated something which we didn't ask for. It generated a color palette, which is good, but we didn't need it. We didn't ask for it. And also here we have the character head in a strange way, which again, we didn't ask for it. But the result, except this part, it's really good. Now, let's compare it to Hunyuan Image 3. Here we have side, front, and almost back, not 100% back, which it just changed the position of them, but still it's acceptable. The good thing about this is that the design of the character, it's way, way better than what we have here. For example, as a game developer, it's understandable for you that what you should do on the leg, we should have these, we should have this kind of armor here, right? It's obvious, but here it's just lots of leaves like triangles, and it's not clear, right? The design here is much better. Of course, there is a issue here, and that is character consistency. The face of the character and the style and most of the armor and clothes are perfect. Only the hairstyle is different in each of them. For example, on the left one, on the side view, it's completely open hair. Here we have some open hair in the back, but in the front we have some additional hair which we don't have. And again, here now it's not open, it's some other style. So it didn't have 100% consistency, but if I was a game developer and I wanted to create a game, a video game, I would use this character comparing to this one. It's way more understandable, clear what elements do we have, and I think it's much better. The next example, here we have overhead flat lay photo of a gourmet avocado toast brunch plate with poached eggs, microgreen, cherry tomatoes, and edible flowers on rustic wooden table with a latte in a white cup nearby. Natural morning light and Instagram-worthy food photography style, right? So we want to use this photo, let's say, for social media, for Instagram. On the left side, we have MAI Image 1, which everything here is perfect, right? The dish is perfect, right? It looked really good. All the details is perfect. The sunlight, the rusty wood, the latte on the right side, everything looks really good. On this one, of course, we didn't request this. It added an old knife with some fabric on the side. We didn't ask for it. Here we don't have it. But here it looks good, but it has some vibe of 3D, high quality 3D style, right? It looks like dreamy. It's not like photorealistic. So in social media case, we want it to be photorealistic most of the time. So MAI Image 1 was much better. On the next example, we have minimalist tech startup logo for cloud peak. Generally, we ask these two AI models to create a logo, and well, MAI Image 1, the image that it generated, the logo that it created, it's terrible. It's terrible. It's not usable. But on the other hand, Hunyuan was much better, much better. So we cannot ask MAI Image 1 to create logos for us. It won't work. So failed at this level, and Hunyuan result was much better. On the next example, we have photorealistic architecture rendering of a modern luxury living room with floor to ceiling windows and so on. Furniture, indoor plants, warm afternoon sunlight, 4K quality. And the result, again, on MAI Image 1 was much better comparing to Hunyuan. Again, it feels dreamy. It feels plastic. It feels 3D design. It's not photorealistic. But on this side, we have more or less photorealistic. It's more believable that this is a photo taken, not an AI image generated. So in this example, MAI Image 1 win. The next one, we have mystery thriller book cover titled The Last Witness, featuring a silhouette of a person standing in a foggy alley with a single street lamp, dark moody atmosphere with blue and orange color grading, cinematic style and professional typography and so on. So on the left side we have MAI Image 1, and on the right side we have Hunyuan. And if I want to compare these two, this is good, right? First of all, the place of the title, it's not okay. It should be higher. But more or less the rest of the things are fine. But remember that this is a mystery thriller book, right? Here, it feels, it delivered the feeling of mystery. Just look at it, the clothes of the man. The emotion is very obvious. But in this example, done by MAI Image 1, it's not very obvious. So I think if I had a book like that with this subject, I would choose this one absolutely. Just I would change my name here. So let's go for the next example. Here we have a fashion photography of a model wearing a specific cloth. And by looking at the both images, they both followed and created the clothes that you wanted, like white sneakers, jeans, and both of them are really good. In this case, because it is photorealistic, of course, MAI Image 1 did a better job. So I'm repeating this again. If you want photorealistic, till now I have tested it over and over, MAI Image 1 was much better. And by the way, if you're interested in these kind of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question or if you have any suggestion. And by liking and leaving comments, I understand that you like these kind of videos and I will make more of them. So don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe. And of course, turn on the bell. So let's continue. The next example that we have here is the UI design of a modern meditation app interface. Here we mentioned the colors, purple to blue, the background, the 3D elements. We mentioned everything. And by looking at the results, MAI Image 1 result, it's not really good. It's just very simple. Part of the icons are not understandable. I don't know what icon is this. There are some elements here that I don't understand. We have 5 here, we have 3 here. What is it? Is it minute? Is it time? Is it it's just a number of inhaling or exhaling. Here we have inhale button and exhale button. It's not understandable. But on the right side, we have a title, Mindful Breathe. And the cloud in the back, it's really good compared to this cloud. The cloud is in the back of our design, not outside of the phone. And here we have breathe in 5 seconds. So I understand this is a timer, and in 5 seconds I have to inhale, right? And the icons here are very visible. So if I want to design something like an app or a website for UI suggestions, definitely I'm going to go after Hunyuan Image 3, not MAI Image 1, because it's much, much better. Let's go for the next example. Premium organic tea packing design mockup with elegant cylinder tin container in matte forest green with gold color and style on it. So both of them are really good. Both of them are really good. Of course, here we have some problem. The name on the packaging, the font, it's not correct. It's you see the letters are deformed a little. It's not good. But here the typography is perfect. It's accurate. The style, the design is perfect. So again, in this case, I think Hunyuan Image 3 win as well. It's much better for this kind of, especially when we have a product and we have a text on it. If we don't have text, I think we can also work with MAI Image 1 as well. Let's go for the next example, which is our last example here. We asked for infographic style illustration showing a diverse team of business professionals collaborating around a digital screen display chart and data, isometric perspective using corporate colors like navy blue, teal, and orange, modern flat design style with subtle shadows, suitable for PowerPoint presentation. And on the left side, MAI Image 1 couldn't do it. It made something, but when we look at the details, it's crazy. We never asked for wheelchair. We mentioned several people, are professional business people, are speaking or talking or doing something. We never mentioned wheelchair. And here, this guy, it's not clear that is he standing, is he sitting, and why he is holding a wheel in his hand. This person, the foot are not clear. It's like 1 foot, 1 leg here. It's not understandable. So MAI Image 1 couldn't become successful at this prompt. On the other hand, we have Hunyuan, which all details are perfect. We have charts. We have the color navy blue, teal, orange. There are 3 people speaking. And only here, there's a little problem, or it's not very, the hands are not very clear, but it's not important. The shadows are more or less good. We have the shadows of the 3 people, but here the rest of the shadow here, it's not correct. But anyway, comparing to what we have from MAI Image 1, definitely Hunyuan Image 3 win, and the result is much, much better comparing to the Microsoft version. So that was another test, and I think by now you should have a clear understanding that if you want to use any of these AI models for your work, for your business, for small projects, for tasks, which one you should use in which cases. And again, I'm repeating this. I explained it in the previous video. If you want to use MAI Image 1 right now, you can only use it on on LM Arena. I will put the link down in the description, so we can go there, lmarena.ai. And let me just show you. You come here to LMR now, and I created a new chat. And here I'm gonna select direct chat. And from here, you should select generate image. And then from the top drop down, select your model. And you can use it for free, right? All you need to do is to just create an account and you can use it for free. Till now, I haven't faced any limit. Once I faced something, and after some time it resolved, but I don't know if creating images on LMR now has any limits, or you can just generate as much as you want. But for now, you can use it on, you can use MAI Image 1, Hunyuan, or any other AI model out there on LMR now, and I think it's a really good platform to testing and practicing. So that was all for this video. If you have any question, write it down. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you want me to create more of these videos on different models and future AI models. Of course, if you have any suggestion, if you want me to create a specific video for you, a specific training, or teach you a specific strategy, write it down in the comment. I will read them all, and I will look forward to see you on another video.